Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today my topic would be how to make a swan towel decor. So first we should have like this, like a towel. It's much better if you're gonna have a smaller one than this one. But let's see if we could make just fold it like this. And you have to put your finger in the middle and make and roll it like this. Till you reach the middle. So you're gonna have like that. And same thing on the other side. Make a triangle and roll it this way. So you're gonna have like this. And form it into a swan. It's much better if you're gonna have like just the regular towel, because this one is kind of big and bulky, and it's so hard to make a design on this kind of, but we'll see. So I'm gonna put something here first. So it will stand. And I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. So on the next one, you're gonna have like this kind of towel for its feathers, but you will just do like this, fold it like this, fold it like this, and you just, it's like you're making a fan. So wait. So it will be like this. You just have to put it here. And make it nice. So it'll be like this. You just have to do it on the other side so it will make a heart shape like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe on my channel for more art problems around the world. Hey, welcome back to my channel, and I made another swan out of towel. So I make it the blue one, and now I'm gonna make their wings.
Alright, cheerleader.
Just
Cool.
make
Well, at least you're not bouncers. See you later.
We are NXT, and the future is now! Introducing the WWE Universe for the very first time, Madison!
So your towel gonna look like this. It's like a fan. So it's gonna be the wings of your
All the way from the UK,
gonna make like this.
has anyone seen my boner? It was here a minute ago. I think the vampire killed him! Now it's time for the WWE Divas Promo Challenge!
Welcome back, guys, and I'm gonna show you my finished product on how to make a swan out of towel for bed decoration. So this is my finished product. It would be nice if you have a lighter weight of the towel because it's easy to be folded. Hi guys, so this is the finished product out of the towel and blanket for making a swan decoration in your bedroom. Please like and share my channel for more art problems around the world. Bye! Thank you for watching.